Alright, so this is the first go with the new setup that I just put on. So what changed is pretty much the entire wheel setup. We put on extended studs at the front, you know, new lug nuts and all that stuff. But yeah, it's mainly to run a new set of wheels on a new tire. Honestly, we put it together a bit late to my liking. I would have loved to dial it in a bit more, because right now on the harder turns it's still, you know, it seems to rub a bit. So that's something that we're gonna have to take care of. But yeah, right now we're gonna try it like that. We're gonna see how it goes. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to try this out, and it's always a lot of fun. So this is gonna be the first run of the day, pretty much. I don't really know how this is gonna go. And with the new tires, I've got no idea how to launch this car, so I think I'm just gonna go slow for the first one, and maybe we'll try to build up to an actual good launch. But yeah, I think we'll be fine. All right. This is gonna be our second run. The first run I almost binned it, so not the best outcome. But well, the best outcome, yeah, I guess the best outcome is to not be putting it in the wall. So that's nice. DNF too. So well, not DNF, but you know, like disqualified because I missed the door. So I think we'll try to go slower, and we'll see how it goes. Because other than the start, which is where I missed the door, I think wasn't too bad, you know. Got a cold too right now, so I probably sound weird. I'm pretty sure my rear pressure is like way too high too. I mean, I'm running a staggered setup right now. I imagine I'm supposed to be running lower pressures in the rear since it's a front wheel drive car, and I haven't done that. Right now I've got the same pressure at the front as the back, so I guess it doesn't help for rear grip. You know, I like when it's slidey a bit, but I'd love to have a bit more grip, you know, as to not lose my car in the wall. It would be pretty great. It's this part right at the start that I missed, so not too bad, I guess. So we got a clean run, and we'll try to improve upon that. This afternoon we'll try to tweak the tire pressures a bit, see if that helps. But yeah, this is awesome. We'll see if I can improve on it. I've got 107 with all the modifiers and stuff. I'll have to check the pressures of the tires. Yeah, it's something to get used to, the new tires. It's pretty cool. It's pretty impressive, but yeah, something to get used to. It's not the same at all. So we shed some time off of that, no penalties. That's what we want to see, you know. We want to get faster as the day goes on. It's a step in the right direction. That's what we want to see, improvement. Alright, so this is going to be our first run of the afternoon. So my fourth today. The last run went really good. We gained another second on our best time. I don't know how long my battery is gonna last though, so this might be the last run you see, but just know it was a good day. The tires have I guess broken in. It's really awesome. It's insane how well this grips. No way, dude. Did we just get better again? Oh my god, dude. There's no way. 103, so we gained another second. This is insane. Yo, these tires are sick. This is insane. This is awesome. Alright, well, as you might have heard, this run went really well. I think it's gonna be my last one after that. So yeah, this has been so far a really awesome day. So this is gonna be our last actual run of the day. We're gonna see if we can improve on the 103 that we got. And yeah, this is gonna be a fun one. We'll try to get maybe 1 second again. I'm gonna, you know, we'll just see, I guess, right? So yeah, I'm not even sure I've got enough battery for the end of this run, but we'll see what happens.